Technique is called ultimate destruction. And what it is, it's against more of a street style punch. Not everyone's going to half move forward and throw a punch at you. What they're going to do more likely is step in with the left foot and throw a right punch from here. So the position of the feet are going to be a little bit different. So as the opponent's coming in, I'm going to step towards my 10-30 angle. I'm going to check and I'm going to block. So just an outward knife block into the outside of the arm. As I deflect it down, this is going to hammer strike right into his bicep, opening him up, and I'm going to generate a lot of power. Now I want to utilize the downward motion here to generate power to my solar plex punch. So it goes, boom. From here, a rising shin strike right into the groin, and I land with a collapsing elbow into the jaw. Collapsing elbow is a heel palm right into the jaw, and a roundhouse elbow right into the jaw. If I want, I could finish off with a quick eye flick and hammer the groin, but the technique usually ends right on here. This will break the jaw because the head can turn, but with this, now no longer. So he's getting damage here and damage here. So one more time. 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Thank you.